Hello YouTube! I designed and 3D printed these cool mechanical toys for my son. He was so happy playing with them. I will share the 3D printer files in the description very soon. Alright, let's go! Intermittent gears are cool. They transmit rotations in a series of steps with pauses in between. I used Fusion 360 to draw the model. I put some marks on the surface so you can easily see pauses and goals. When you want to turn power around a corner, bevel system is the one you need. They contact the shafts that meet angles, usually 90 degrees, so it can transmit rotation from one surface to another. From my research, you can use this in many situations. I'm actually building my own 3D printed RC car chassis from scratch. By the time you are watching this video, I should be still working on it. It's near to the final. I found many bevel gears in other smarter designs. I will show you in the future video. If you want to watch it, please subscribe my channel. Geneva mechanism is one of that transfers continuous spinning into start-stop motion. You will find this in traditional watches. Internal gear system is my favorite. The teeth are cut on the inside of the ring. They are the key components of the planetary gear systems, where they serve as a ring gear that surrounds everything else. The planet gears are the sun gear. I have a plan to build a robot arm joint. You will see the magic in my channel very soon. The Nautilus gear is inspired by Fibonacci's spiral found in Nautilus shells. It's amazing how people learn from nature to create this. I show the spinning motion in two ways. A is a different horse in the curve, or rotated triangles on the gear. It creates this magic effect when it spins. I designed this rim-like shape, and when it spins, it looks cool, like a running car. They are simple, and you can easily see the rotation speed ratio between the big one and the small one. Alright, that's for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. The file links will be in the description. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoy this one. Bye bye.